Okay, right, so dim, 0. You see it in road signs and signs and so on. Dim parcio means 0 parking, no parking. Dim ysmygu, no smoking. No smoking. Dim parcio, dim smygu. You can have dim siarad and the llyfrgell, no talking in the library and so on. Dim mwynhau, no enjoying. So, no, dim mwynhau, no enjoying. So dim dringo, no climbing. So dim dringo ar y byrddau, no climbing on the desks, right? Yeah. Dim cyclo, yeah, no cycling. Yeah, right. So, yeah, felly. Dim chwarae, playing 4. Right, yeah, okay. You've got your word order wrong there. You need to work on that, right? Yeah, okay. Right, round there. Dim. Okay, so we're like dim and fanna. Wedyn, dyn ni'n dod at un. So you don't need to say anything. So dim, un, a dwi'n mynd i rhoi rhain i lawr, ar y llawr. So dim, I'll put them in order. Dim, un, good Welsh name, dau, un, dau, dim, un, dau, dim, un, dau, 3, dim, un, dau, 3, dim, un, dau, 3, dau, un, dim, un, dau, 3. Pedwar, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dim 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Saith. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can push that out. 8. Now is the winter of our discontent. Now. 10. Ac, just bod chi'n gallu gweld. Dim, 1, 2, 1, dim, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 7, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 8. Avoid that word, yeah. 8, 7, 8, 6, 9, 10, 5. Dim, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's up? Dim, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dim, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10. Be dwi'n mynd i wneud, dwi'n mynd i alw nhw allan, and everybody just point yr un pryd, so if you make a mistake, don't worry, just watch what the others are doing then. Just move your hand a little bit. Right, so, i weld. So, rwan te, os ydw i'n dweud, 8. You don't need to say, just point. So, be dyn ni eisiau ydy, bis. Your finger needs to be, quick on the draw. So put your hands fan hyn. So, it's fastest draw in the west and y gorllewin. So, os dwi'n dweud, 5. 6. 10. 3. 9. Dim. 2. 1. 4. 3. 7. 8. 7. 6. 2. 1. 2. 8.